up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my June mystery bag of awesome. Guys, I gotta say, I love this subscription. So I love it so much that I think I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to the biggest one they have, which I think they call it the Mega Bundle or something like that. It's $34 a month. But guys, this one has not been disappointing me. At first, it was funny. For $10 a month, you got some really weird stuff and stuff that I really didn't use and things like that. But since then, they've definitely made this a really great mystery box. Bag, whatever you want to call it. So this mini one is $9.99 a month, but I do think that I'm going to upgrade and or just add that mega bundle for $34 a month because I love this one that much. So now that I gave you guys an earful, let's see what they sent me in my June bag. Okay guys, so here's my bag. They have their logo on there and I know it's upside down, but I cut the top of it here like this. So if I show it to you the other way, everything's gonna fall out. All right guys, this has been sitting in my office for a little while because I have been so busy with work that I haven't had time to film. That's why I didn't get any videos out last week, and that's why I'm playing catch up this week. All right, here we go. First thing I'm grabbing. Oh, this is gonna be useful. Yes! We have some Sharpie markers. This is a limited edition color burst. So they got like funny kind of colors. Funny, funky, I don't know what you want to say. I'm not taking it out because I just opened the thing. All right, so they got Power Pink, Racy Red, Supersonic Yellow, Jet Set Jade, and Brilliant Blue. Here's the colors. Guys, I'm definitely super happy to have this. I use Sharpie markers all the time. You know what? They're useful for not just like writing on paper. I actually use these to repair my shoes and they work great. I'm just saying I've repaired quite a few pairs of shoes that just needed a little bit of, some stuff came off of it. So I just colored it in with a Sharpie and it still stayed. I'm just saying I repair my shoes with Sharpie markers all the time. All right, what do we got here? We have a floating wristband. So it floats cameras, keys, phones, and more. All right, I am not mad at that, and I'll tell you why. Here it is right here, guys. This is the front part of it, and then here it is on the side. I actually quite like this idea because if I'm going out somewhere and I drop my keys in like a toilet or something like that, who wants to reach in there and get it? But I don't want them to go all the way down in, you know what I'm saying? So I am not mad at this. This is probably geared more towards people who are going out in the water and stuff like that, and they just want to keep their keys and stuff with them, so they put them on this little wristband so that if they do fall off, they're going to float and they'll be able to find them. But I'm just saying, in my case, I'm just thinking in terms of I don't want to drop my stuff down the toilet. Alrighty. Ooh, so we have this RE Beauty stuff. I don't know if they want to call it RE Beauty or Re Beauty, really not sure. This brand is definitely pushing their stuff very hard with this company, trying to get their name out there. I totally respect that. This is a gentle creamy cleanser. So here it is, you guys. Gotta say, I'm definitely very happy to have this because I have tried the product that I got from one of these bags. It was, the anti-aging serum. Oh my gosh, I love it. I definitely see a difference as I'm using it. So I definitely think that these products work and they're good. And I think that it works so good that I actually might buy that again. And I'm not a serum user, but that one actually works quite well. And I really like it. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying that cleanser. Woo, score. So again, this is only $9.99 a month for this bag. And they also give you this super fun, like activity sheet where they have like the little crosswords and all these other activities. I do these all the time with my son, but like I always say, I would do this even if I didn't have my son because I just think it's fun. All right, guys, that wraps up my mini mystery bag of awesome. If you guys are interested in getting this subscription, I will have a link in my description box so that you guys can check this out. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? That looks so weird. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I gotta not say that because I don't know how many videos I'm gonna have to put out in a day to catch up. 2 at most. I don't want to like blast everybody with videos, but I am so behind. Okay, let's try it again.